small straggling piece.
Yep.
Sitting around.
So this is it, guys. This is our room here in the RIHGA Royal Hotel in Kyoto. We're about to head out. I forgot to do a walkthrough video, so I'll do like a quick minute and a half video here as we get our stuff out because we're leaving Japan today. But basically, as you can see, we got all of our stuff packed. Heading out right now. This is a view of our old-fashioned Kyoto style room, as you can see, with closet, has a mini bar in it. Here's our bathroom, the high-powered toilet. And with that said, I'm not going to go through much more because we got to head out. It's time to get out, so alright, well, that's it. So I guess we'll see you guys later.